Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Ya, pun tahu pun dah lama tak buat video. I'm so sorry. But kali ni, since kita dah nak raya lagi beberapa hari je kan, mesti korang busy shopping. Kalau boleh semua boleh nak baru. Baju raya nak baru, makeup pun kalau boleh nak baru kan. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to achieve this gorgeous pinkish soft makeup look. So jom kita start. First thing first, skincare is key for a flawless makeup application. Aku akan pakai moisturizer dulu to hydrate and prep my skin. Okay? Next, I'm going to apply a primer to ensure my makeup lasts all day and goes on smoothly. So kita pakai primer dulu. So after dah pakai skincare and primer, now it's time for foundation. So today aku pakai YSL. Aku suka pakai this one sebab dia compact. So macam senang nak bagi mana. And dalam dia ada puff sekali. So senang lah kita nak pakai kan. Okay. Dan dab je. So after korang dah apply semua foundation kat seluruh muka kan, korang ambil sikit dan dab bawah mata. So kita boleh cover dark circle. Okay. Tada! Dah siap! And there you have it, a flawless base in just a few simple steps. Right, now that our base is flawless, okay, korang boleh tengok. So, jom take a quick break to unbox some few fabulous makeup that I received from Zalora. So, actually, aku ada beli bukan satu tapi dua item. So, korang dah ready 1, 2, 3, tada! Laura Mercier. And the second item, Huda Beauty. Korang jangan risau, Laura Mercier and Huda Beauty ni memang ada official store dekat Zalora. Memang 100% original, okay? So, jom kita continue. Today, we are diving into something truly special. The limited edition Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. Tada! First, kita ada dapat puff! Tada! Oh my god! So this one, Puk pakai coat translucent tau. Trust me, this is a game changer for your makeup routine. Just look at this packaging. Cantik gila. But, let's talk about what inside. Siapa yang memang suka makeup memang tahulah. Kalau even korang ask Mua, diorang punya recommendation for a good loose powder, diorang akan selalunya memang diorang suggest dua brand je. One, Huda Beauty. Lagi satu, Laura Mercier ni. I've already prepped my skin with foundation and concealer. And now it's time to set it all in place for that flawless, long-lasting finish. So kita guna this puff. Nama dia adalah The Velour Puff. Gepu gila weh. Macam ni. So dia besar memang muat kat muka yang pump macam tu. Wow. Okay, so dia punya powder tak ada bau sangat. Macam ni tau. So nampak tak? Dia dah melekat dekat puff ni kan. So I'm going to gently press the powder into my skin, starting from the center of my face and working my way outwards. So first step, korang letak kat mana dulu? Letak dekat bawah mata, okay? Korang jangan jangan tarik macam tu. Korang press slow-slow je, okay? Okay, nampak tak tu? Belah sini pula. Ambil lebihan powder ni kan. Macam tu. Letak dekat mana? Letak dekat tempat korang, bila korang makeup tu selalu crack. Kalau for me, selalunya dekat this area. After that, ambil lagi. Dan korang like spread je dekat satu muka. Okay. This technique ensure an even application and help to lock in my makeup for up to 16 hours. 16 jam tau, lama tau. So yeah, better korang ikut teknik ni, okay? Okay, yang tadi korang dah spread tu, kita ratakan. Kecuali yang dekat bawah mata ni. Jadi kita nak pakai eyeshadow kan, so biar je kita set bawah mata ni. Can you see how effortless it goes on? Nampak tak? Dia like smooth gila dekat muka pun now. Memang dah tak nampak pori-pori. Memang nampak like smooth gila macam kulit baby. And here's the best part. It's so lightweight, plus it's perfect for all skin tone. Yang paling penting, kita yang Gen Z ni memang suka ambil gambar guna apa? Guna 05 kan. Lepas tu kadang nak nampak cantik lagi pakai flash. Korang jangan risau sebab pakai this Laura Mercier ni no photo flashback. Maksudnya bila korang ambil gambar tu tak adalah nampak berdebu bawah mata. Next time eyeshadow daripada mana? Daripada Huda Beauty. This one. Oh my god, aku dah lama gila nak beli palette ni. Finally dapat juga. Tada! So this palette is a game changer. Why? Kenapa aku cakap macam tu? Korang tengok colour yang ada dalam ni. Wow. Wow, cantik. Kat sini ada 9 irresistible shades from buttery, mattes to super shimmery shadow and complementary metallic. Plus, it's available in 3 stunning nude color theme to suit every skin tone and eye color. Let's get started with the fun part, the eyeshadow application. So this is my makeup brush from Real Technique. So I'm starting off with this gorgeous matte shade as our transition color. Terang gila weh. I mean like baru tekan sikit dia dah pigmented. So I'm blending it into the crease to create a seamless base for our look. The second colour akan pakai this one. Then blend je lagi. So I think dah siap dah okey dah. Nampak kan? Ambil colour yang sama tapi guna brush yang lain. Brush yang nipis macam ni. Then just letak dekat bawah mata sini. Oh my god. Sumpah senang gila nak blend. Now, let's add some depth and dimension to the eyes. So, I'm going to take this rich metallic shade. Oh my god. I try my best lah untuk show kat korang. Letak kat sini. Oh my god. Saya letaklah dekat tempat sama kat bawah ni tadi. Masa kita apply powder, setting powder daripada Laura Mercier tadi, kita start dekat bawah mata kan. Korang ambil brush yang besar macam ni, yang gebu, korang just ratakan macam ni. Tips nak buat eyeshadow ni senang je. Don't be afraid to build up the intensity until you achieve your dream makeup look. Whether you are going for a soft, glam, everyday makeup look, this palette has everything you need. Let's add some colour to the cheeks. Put nak pakai blusher. Define those eyes with eyeliner and mascara. And of course, glow with a pop of highlighter. So, sekejap lagi, put sambung, okay? Alright, dah siap. Okay, eyeliner semua dah on point. So, next, of course, kita kena pakai highlighter. So, highlighter pun daripada Dior. Letak dekat ujung sini. And letak dekat hidung. And kalau nak nampak oval lagi, letak dekat sini. Since kita buat macam pinkish, so pakai Chanel lipstick code 69. Colour memang cantik gila. Macam tu. And then we have it, a complete makeup look that's easy, quick and paling penting cantik. Okay? So, korang suka tak this look? Ni macam natural tapi at the same time slay. Yang penting tengok base kita cantik. Tengok dekat mata kita. Itu kita punya highlight tau untuk hari ni. If you're looking to do some last minute shopping, Zalora's got your back. Why? Kenapa? Sebab shipping Zalora sangat pantas, sangat cepat. And guess what? Zalora sekarang memang tengah bagi voucher. Banyak gila voucher lain. Free shippingnya lain. So memang korang boleh jimat banyak. Zalora isn't just about makeup je tau. Macam-macam ada. Korang cari heels ada, t-shirt ada, perfumes ada juga, baju raya, baju kurung, blouse, semua ada, jeans semua ada. Trust me, once you shop with Zalora, you will keep coming back. Contohnya macam put. So, itu saja video untuk hari ini. Don't forget to drop your feedback or review for those yang pernah shopping kat Zalora, so that orang lain pun boleh baca juga, boleh percaya kan nak shopping, nak try Zalora. Like this video and subscribe to Zalora YouTube channel for more content like this. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye korang.